Hello, this is Amin from Nomad Beer Travel Channel. Once again, I'm here with another episode of how you can travel cheap. And in this video, you're gonna learn how you can save money on food. Okay, when I say save money on food while you're traveling, it doesn't mean that you have to starve. No, not at all. You just have to spend your money wisely. Because we all know that we can't cut all the expenses on food because it is inevitable and you have to eat something. So in this video, stay with me. You will learn how you can save lots of money on food. Okay, I tell you the rules which I follow to save my money on food while I'm traveling. So I assume that you are a traveler like me, and not skinny like me, but you're fit and not a food tester with a 50 kilogram belly that yeah. If you are fit and if you are skinny like me and you don't have a big belly, then these rules gonna work for you. But if you have a big belly and you can't imagine about eating less, then I think these rules are not going to work for you. So yeah, we can say goodbye to each other right now. I never had big belly, but I think it's kind of cute, it's fluffy. Okay, here I have 8 rules for you to follow and to save money on food. Okay, the first rule is eat only 2 meals per day. Okay, I personally eat only 2 meals per day, okay? But it doesn't mean that in between I don't eat anything at all. No, I don't starve and I never let my body stay hungry. Okay, for example, I wake up at 7 in the morning, I drink some tea and food and fruits, and then till 10 a.m. I eat my breakfast most of the time while I'm traveling. And then after about 6 or 7 or even 8 hours, about around 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock, I have my dinner. But in between, I supply my body with nuts, dried fruits, and etc. So I never starve. Okay, sometimes I do starve while I'm traveling. It's for me, because when I travel, I can't eat much. And the main reason I do this, instead of just saving money, it's because if I eat less, then I'm lighter. I can with a light belly, with light food, I can walk around, I can see, and I'm not feeling sleepy and I'm not feeling heavy and sick. So yeah, for me it's very important to be light while I'm traveling, to be healthy, to stay light, and so I can just go around. You know what I mean. Because with the full belly, then you can't walk. It's not possible. And I just enjoy my time while I'm traveling. I'm not spending so much time on food because that's not my goal to just eat food and stay like sleeping. Yeah, I don't like it. Eat like you're in your hometown. I personally don't eat at touristic places and restaurants while I'm in my hometown because it's not reasonable for me. I go to grocery stores and buy my food and ingredients which I need to cook my food. So I cook it tax-free and I give a tip to myself. So I save lots of money. But yeah, in order to do that, you have to have a kitchen. So that goes back to before you're going to book your hotel room, you have to book a hotel or hostel room that gives you free kitchen use. You can't believe it, you can save lots of money just by cooking your own food while you're traveling. It's crazy. The third rule is to eat like locals. Yeah, it means that because it's inevitable and it's impossible to avoid eating outside while you're on road and you don't have access to any kitchen, then you have to eat in some restaurant or in some food court. So, but you can make it wisely, okay? You can make a wise choice. You just follow where locals go. You ask locals where they eat their foods. Then go there and eat as locals and order foods which they buy for their lunch or dinner. Then you will be like local, and you save lots of money just by doing that. There are lots of small places for eating and where locals go, and I think that's the best choice because that will give you a sense of their culture wherever you are, where people, normal people, local people eat. It gives you a sense of that you are like them because you're meeting with the people that they are from that place, and you will taste the things that you won't be able to taste it while you're in a touristic restaurant or in McDonald's. Okay, but don't always follow the rules. Rules are there for you to break them, and sometimes go to the fancy restaurant and have some fun. The fourth reason is to book a room with free breakfast. Okay, before you book your hotel or hostel room, make sure they offer free breakfast, because if they offer free breakfast, then it means you will save time at the first time of your day, and also you'll save money. And you don't look around for what to eat and what should I do for breakfast. They will give you a free breakfast and you have it, then you start your day freely and faster. The fifth rule: pack nuts, dried fruits and snacks in your backpack. Yeah, never travel without any power supply. Like you pack your power bank for your phone in your backpack, yeah, you also need to pack food like dried fruits, snacks and some chocolates in your backpack. Those little snacks, nuts and chocolates can save you from starving. I sometimes skip my lunch or dinner when I can't find any place to eat, just by eating those nuts and fruits that I have with me. So I think that's very important, never forget it. The sixth one is to take some tea bags with you in your backpack, because I personally love teas and I drink lots of tea in my day. So I take always with me some tea bags, and I save lots of money in long run only on tea. Next one and seventh one is don't pay for your food. Eat free. How? Okay, if you've watched my previous video about free accommodation, you probably see it. I said that some volunteering opportunity comes with free foods, like free breakfast, free lunch and free dinner. And just if you can do that, then you completely get rid of the food expenses while you're staying in some city. And what can be greater than that? The last and the eighth one is to share your food. Okay, when you give, you will receive, because when you open your hand to give, then your hand is open, then you will receive. But if you keep it like this, you won't give it, but you won't get anything as well. So make sure share your food with friends. If you go outside with friends, like even fancy restaurants, you can order many different dishes and eat them. Just share the expenses between you, and it's cut the expenses so much and will save lots of money on all of the friends. And also eating with friends is amazing, you know it. Okay, there you have it. That was my 8 tips for you to save money on food while you're traveling. I hope these tips were helpful for you. I know there are lots of other ways which I don't know, so please, if you know some other way that you can save money on food, please make sure you write them for me in the comment section. And if you enjoyed my video, please hit the like button and subscribe button for me so you won't miss my future videos. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.